Again, punong-puno po ang ating SB Park.
Hanggang Gen Ad, wala nang maupuan.
Yang tumira ng tres.
Naman na po ang Barangay Sauyo. Johan.
Oh, still tumatakbo ang Barangay Sauyo. 2 points para kay number 10, 56-52. Number 3, Dumuray. No good. Mariba ng Barangay Sauyo.
Tumatakbo ang Barangay Kulyat. Tabi po tayo, tabi.
2 points. Courtesy of SK Chairman Moyroy Bandong. Shot.
Grabe, Raban. Duhar Pumoste.
No.
Sino na rebound sa ulo naman.
Yang may dala ng bola. High spin. No good. Offensive rebound, 2 points for number... Offensive foul ang tawag ng ating referee. Foul. Oras na rin, 7 minutes and 39 seconds. High to shoot. No good. Sino naka-rebound? Barangay Kulyat.
Number 3 with a drop. Nice fake.
Basketball, 4 p.m. Volleyball finals. 2:30 po pala. Sorry. 3 p.m. 2:30 po ang simula po. Nia and PC po ang ating court. Hindi po dito sa SB Park.
Nice one by number 7. 60-58.
Time to shoot.
Second shot is good.
Number 8. With that jumper, no good. Rebound, number 3. First shot is good. Yang dumrive, no good.
Matakbo na po ang Barangay Kulyat.
No good. Oras na rin, 4 and 40 seconds. Sa uyo, nabitawan ang bola.
Nice play. All na po ang ating talaan.
What's the call, ref?
Shot clock violation. Number 7. Binalik sa point guard. Nice drop kay Gohar. No good. Yang. Napakabilis. Grabe.
Askuha ng Barangay Seoul.
Nabitawan ng bola.
Kulyan tumatakbo. No good. Foul.
First shot. Second shot is good. All tayo. Yang 2 points. Sino ang papasok sa ating finals? MC Pickup 2024. Foul ang tawag ng ating referee. Idol, upo tayo, idol. First shot is good. Substitution rep, sub tayo, sub. Labas pasok. Foul ang tawag ng ating ref. Second shot is good. Naman po ang isa ang Barangay Seoul. Nice drop. Foul. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Score natin all 66. Number 7, Tumira Press! Time out! Barangay Seoul. Pinasa kay number 4. Two points for number 6. And with 1 minute remaining. Number 3. Offensive rebound. Pull up jumper for number 8 is good.
Okay, gilid po tayo, gilid.
Mga idol, tabi po tayo. Wala pong papasok sa playing court. Mga idol, wala pong magugulo ha. Mati-technical po kayo dyan.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Up, 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 up.
First shot, very good. Players, tabi po tayo, players ha. Jump ball. Wala na po oras. Again. Good game for Barangay Sauyo versus Barangay Pulyat. Kamay-kamay po tayo lahat. Again, nice game po for our both teams and see you tomorrow.